In the halls of digital dreams, we watch and learn, studying the steps of those who danced before. Their triumphs, their stumbles, in rhythm discern to leap past their shadows onto uncharted floor. With personas in hand, we map their journey, crafting stories, paths woven with care. In every step, every turn, see their yearning. In the canvas of needs, desires laid bare. In the symphony of progress, tools do unite. Jira's beats, Trello's harmonies, Asana's light, guiding our ensemble with shared insight. With minimalist grace, we sketch our vision. Early prototypes dance light and free. Testing, iterating with precision in the ballet of MVP, our ideas see. Inviting real users to our stage, their feedback a chorus guiding our way. In interviews, surveys, focus groups engage. In their truths, our design finds its sway. In iterative waltzes, feedback we embrace, each turn a refinement, a designer's grace. In this dance of creation, progress we trace. In the fluid notes of Agile's score, adapting, evolving with each new day, embracing change, opening new doors. In this symphony, our code finds its way. With CI/CD, our teams align. In continuous rhythms, our work intertwines. Code reviews, knowledge shares, in unison shine, crafting a masterpiece, line by line. In the realm of tests, machines take the lead, automated sonnets of code, played with speed. Functional performance, regressions recede. In this overture, reliability we heed. In the crucible of beta, real users return, unveiling surprises in every twist and turn. From their experiences, invaluable we learn, polishing our creation for the final sojourn. With fanfares of launch, our software takes flight, monitoring satisfaction in customers' sight. NPS, reviews, churn rates in light, guiding our journey from day into night. Updates roll in, a tide unceasing. Bug fixes, patches, features increasing. In the market's dance, our vigilance never easing. In this finale, our software ever evolving.